Beginning Blends. B and L. Mr. Blue went to buy a blazer in the blizzard. C and L. The clumsy clown put his clothes to dry on a cliff. B and R. Mr. Brown strolled on the bridge on a bright, breezy morning. F and L. Felix the florist sold flowers near the fast-flowing river. G and L. Glenn felt glum on losing her gleaming new gloves. D and R. Drew the dragon often dreams of being drenched in a drizzle. F and R. Freddy the frog was frightened when a freckle grew on his face. G and R. Granny put on her gray coat and went to the grocery shop to buy some green grapes. S and C. The scarecrow put on a scarf and solved a scramble. S and N. Snip the snail snapped at the snooty snake. S and L. The sly fox had to wear a sling after falling from a sledge. S and T. Stump the stork stooped down to talk to the starfish.